Struggling with back pain? The right seat cushion can make all the difference. In this video, we'll break down the best seat cushions designed for comfort, support, and pain relief. We upload quality videos daily to help you find the best products for your needs. Stick around to discover the perfect cushion for you. Number 1. Bon Medico Orthopedic Seat Cushion. As one of the more budget-friendly options on our list, the Bon Medico Standard Memory Foam Seat Cushion is a great option for alleviating back pain without breaking the bank. And even though it's affordable, it never lost its shape over time. Even after prolonged use during testing, it continued to function as promised. What's more, we found it kept our spine aligned and allowed us to maintain good posture while sitting without much effort on our part. This characteristic makes this seat cushion ideal for anyone prone to slouching while sitting at their desk or watching television. Still, we appreciated that this product's neutral color blends well with just about any decor and can be moved and used anywhere you need. Plus, the velour cover is removable and machine washable, adding to its longevity. Number 2. Q-Tool Orthopedic Seat Cushion and Lumbar Support Pillow. Research indicates that more than 1/4 of workers experience lower back pain each year too. We love the Q-Tool Orthopedic Seat Cushion for those who suffer from back pain because we found that it conforms nicely to your body and offers a significant amount of back support without being too stiff. We also found that it offers a snug fit, and you won't have to reposition yourself every few minutes as you do with some other seat cushions. The soft material makes this cushion a comfortable spot to park for a while. The Q-Tool Orthopedic Seat Cushion is ideal for anyone who spends a lot of time sitting and has back pain as a result. Convenient, the breathable velvet cover zipper for easy machine washing. The lumbar support pillow comes with 2 adjustable straps to fit larger seats and car seats. Number 3. Comfy Life Gel Enhanced Seat Cushion. With a firm and high-quality feel, the Comfy Life Gel Enhanced Seat Cushion is the perfect solution for those who want firm support. This seat cushion conforms to your body and allows your back muscles to relax rather than tighten while you're sitting. It also has a unique gel cushion that provides just the right amount of comfort without causing you to sink into the material. This feature could be a real plus if you have lower back or tailbone pain from long hours of sitting or traveling. In fact, research indicates that gel cushions may be a more effective way to alleviate lower back pain for occupational drivers who sit for an extended period of time. When testing, we loved how the grippers on the bottom of the cushion kept it secure in one spot. We found this seat cushion very well designed and were pleased with how it kept our entire body perfectly aligned and positioned while seated. Number 4. TushGuard Seat Cushion. Sitting at your desk for hours at a time can wreak havoc on your lower back and tailbone, but this TushGuard seat cushion provides just the right amount of firm support without being too stiff. The memory foam seat helped us maintain proper posture throughout the day, and the soft fabric was the perfect complement for the firm support. It even seemed to strengthen our back after long-term use. This cushion is an excellent option if you prefer memory foam, and the value is also hard to beat. All parts of the seat cushion are certified safe and harmless for human health with no additives. The premium memory foam of this seat cushion quickly rebounds and returns to its original shape after each use and can be used to add height to any seat. Number 5. Purple Royal Cushion. If you suffer from tailbone pain, this Purple Royal seat cushion should be your top pick. The firm gel cushion is covered with a soft jersey cover and kept us sitting up straight all day long. The honeycomb design helps maintain airflow throughout the day, so your legs will stay dry and comfortable even if you sit for long periods of time, as this feature prevents sweating. The cushion doesn't have any indentation for tailbone support, but the gel insert provides just the right combination of pressure and cushioning. The cushion is easy to take on the go and features 2 carrying straps for portability. Although there are no straps to hold it in place, the cushion does have an anti-slip bottom to keep it in place, even on the most slippery chairs. The Milliard cushion is ventilated for airflow to help regulate temperature for maximum support. Enjoy optimal comfort while sitting for extended periods of time.